Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to add a city of visit in Bean app. To do it, click on plus in top right corner, then instead of countries, select cities. Now you'll need to select a country and then select a city, but it requires the premium subscription, unfortunately. But so as you can see, like when I select, for example, let's get Poland, then I can select a city. But you can see it says that the premium is required, so I just won't add that. But all the other further steps will be exactly the same as they would with just countries. And if you want to add a country, just select it, then select whether you've been there, lived there, or wish to be there, and you can add start and end dates, transportation, and optional comments. Then click on add visit, and that will be about it. I hope that this video was helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you in the next one.